Hello, I am Sridhar. In this class, I am going to explain about the topic of acids and bases. In this, I am taking a subtopic as buffer solutions. First, in this, on completion of this period, we will be able to know the introduction of the acids and bases and its pH range, definition of the buffer solution, types of buffer solutions, action of buffer solutions. First of all, we have to know about the introduction. Already we know the definition of the acid. What is an acid? Already we know number of acids and its definitions also. Those acids pH range already we just in last class we discussed, that is the pH range of the acids are 0 to less than 7. Examples for that is HCl, H2SO4, etc. Okay, what is the base? Okay, what is the base means? Already we discussed the base according to Arrhenius, which gives the OH minus ions in aqueous solution. Okay, like that. Okay, the bases are examples are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, etc. And its pH range is greater than 7 to 14. For the neutral solution, its value is 4, 4 7. The sum of the okay, and next we have to discuss about the what is the buffer solution. What is the buffer solution? Okay, a mixture of two substances resist the change in pH. Addition of strong acid or strong alkali does not change the pH. Okay, when we the addition of the two substances resist the change in the pH, and with the addition of strong acid or strong base does not change in the pH. Simply we can say, when we take any salt solution, then its pH is exactly 7. When with the addition of small acid, the pH may be decreases because its pH range is decreases from 7 to 4. When with the addition of base to that particular salts, particular neutral solution, the pH may be increases with the increasing of OH minus ion concentrations. For the when the addition of the H plus when addition of the acids to the neutral solution increases the H plus ions, then decreases the pH value. When increases the OH minus ions whenever the addition of base to the neutral solution. Okay, while the addition of acid or base to the neutral solution, the solution may be increases or decreases. To resist that pH value, we can add the another solution. That solution is called as buffer solution. Okay, that can defined as a solution which resists the change in pH value with the addition of strong acid or strong base is called as buffer solution. Once again, I am repeating, a solution which resists the change in pH value with the addition of strong acid or strong base to the neutral solution is called as buffer solution. Examples of buffer solutions are acetate buffer, carbonate buffer, phosphate buffer, ammonia buffer. Okay, next let us discuss about the types of buffer solution. These are two types: acidic buffer solution, basic buffer solutions. What is the acidic buffer solution? How to prepare? Now we have to discuss. A mixture of weak acid and its salt of a strong base. Okay, this can be prepared. The mixture of weak acid and its salt of strong base. Then pH is less than 7. Examples are acetate buffer. Acetic acid is a weak acid when it reacts with the sodium hydroxide like strong base, and getting salt is sodium acetate. Okay, this mixture is a acidic buffer or acetate buffer. And next one is H3BO3 boric acid and sodium borate or borax. And next one is the basic buffer solution. Okay, this can be prepared by the mixture of weak acid and its salt of strong acid, and its pH is more than 7. pH is more than 7. Examples for this is ammonium hydroxide is a weak base when it is reacts with the HCl like strong acids, and getting salt is ammonium chloride. And next one is ethylamine when it is reacts with HCl like component, it forms C6NH5 NH C6H5 NH3Cl, that is aniline chloride. Okay, let us recap of these acidic buffer solution and basic buffer solution. And buffer solution. The buffer solution is defined as a solution which resists the change in pH value with the addition of strong acid or strong base to the neutral solution is called as buffer solution. And these are two types: acidic buffer solution and basic buffer solution. Acidic buffer solution can be prepared by the mixture of weak acid and its salt of strong base. The basic buffer solution is prepared by the mixture of weak acid and its salt of weak base. It is basic buffer solution is prepared by using the mixture of weak base and its salt of strong acid, and then its pH is more than 7, and its examples are ammonium hydroxide, ammonium chloride, and a mixture, and one more mixture is the aniline and aniline chloride. And next, the buffer action we have discussed. Resisting any change in pH of the buffer is called as buffer action. Action of acidic buffer solution. How it useful. CH3COOH on ionization it produces CH3COO minus plus H plus ion. Okay, generally it is in a partial ionization. Less. Next one is CH3COO Na. On complete ionization it gives the CH3COO minus plus Na plus ion. On addition of strong acid to this acidic buffer solution, first the HCl, the strong acid is the HCl here, and ionization it produces H plus and Cl minus ions. Okay, those H plus ions are reacting with the acetate ions from the both were coming from the sodium acetate and acetic acid, and it forms the acetic acid. Then pH can be neutral. Okay, where further addition of any solution, the pH is consumed, the pH will be never changes, then it is stable. Action of acidic buffer solution, in the case of action of acidic buffer solution, when we the addition of the strong base to the acidic buffer solution, the sodium hydroxide on ionization it produces Na plus OH minus ions. Okay, these OH minus ions are reacting with the CH3COOH molecules, then it forms CH3COO minus plus H2O. Okay, there is no formation of the H plus ions, then automatically the pH of the solution is stable. And next one is next in this we can observe this one in this equation. First, CH3COOH on ionization it produces H plus and CH3COO minus. Okay, addition of OH minus ions means base. Okay, this can be combined with the OH minus ion combines with the H plus ion and it forms the water molecule. At the same time, the CH3COO minus, okay, it forms Na plus and CH3COO minus. When the addition of the H plus ion, this will be combined with the acetate ion and it forms the CH3COH. Okay, there is no formation of H plus ions in this equation while the addition of the strong acid or strong base to the any mixture after the completion of the after the addition of the buffer solution. And next one is action of basic buffer solution. Okay, let us take one example of basic buffer solution. Ammonium hydroxide, it on ionization it produces ammonium plus OH minus ion and it is a partial dissociation. Ammonium chloride on ionization it produces ammonium plus and Cl minus. This is the complete dissociation. Okay, these two are the mixture of the acidic basic buffer solution. Okay, for this, when with the addition of strong acid any neutral solution after the addition of base buffer solution, first the strong acid can be dissociated into H plus and Cl minus ion, that is HCl can be dissociated into H plus and Cl minus ion. First, this H plus ions are reacts with ammonium hydroxide and it forms the ammonium plus and H2O molecule. Okay, there is no formation of further H plus ions when the addition of strong acid. At the same time, when with the addition of strong base to the basic buffer solution, okay, then base we have to take here sodium hydroxide on ionization it produce Na plus and COH minus ion and these can be this OH minus ions can be reacts with the ammonium plus ions and it forms the ammonium hydroxide. Okay, there is no formation of H plus ion, again it is stable. Okay, let us discuss in that figure. When we take this ammonium hydroxide, ammonium chloride is a buffer solution. On ionization it produces OH minus ions plus NH4 plus. Here Cl minus ion and NH4 plus ions. When addition of the acid, these H plus ions are combined with OH minus ion, it forms the H2O. When addition of base, okay, these OH minus ions are combined with the ammonium plus ions and it forms the ammonium hydroxide. There is no formation of H plus ions, then automatically the never changes the pH of the solution, then it is stable. Okay, in this topic we discussed about the definition of the buffer solution, that is a solution which maintain the constant pH by the addition of small amount of strong acid or strong base. Okay, buffer solutions are two types: acidic buffer solution, basic buffer solution. Okay, prevention of change in pH is called as buffer. buffer action. Prevention of change in pH is called as buffer action. Let us take one quiz answers. pH of acid buffer is 7, 9, less than 7 and 11. The right answer is less than 7. The acidic buffer solution, the pH range is less than 7. Already we discussed. The pH of the basic buffer solution is greater than 7. Okay, base buffer is a mixture of strong acid and strong base, weak base and its salt of strong acid, weak base and its salt of weak acid, weak acid and its salt of weak base. The right answer is B, weak base and its salt of strong acid. Okay, example of acidic buffer is HCl plus NaOH, ammonium hydroxide plus acetic acid and sodium acetate, ammonium hydroxide and ammonium chloride. The right answer is ammonium hydroxide, not ammonium hydroxide. The right answer is C, acetic acid and sodium acetate. The frequently asked questions in this topic is define the buffer solution, explain the different types of buffer solutions with examples. What is the buffer action? Explain the action of buffer with examples. Okay, thank you.